What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Ankr, which has hit a huge green candlestick, as you guys can see, not just in the last 24 hours but overall it has been performing very well since the beginning of February. It has gained an insane amount of value, and in the last 24 hours itself it has gained just about 30%, currently valued at just over 5 cents guys. So we're going to be going through what is next for Ankr. Can it potentially head up to 10, 15, 20 cents later on this year, or is it going to step back down in value? So essentially covering buyers and sellers point of view, looking at, is it a crypto worth investing into right now? Is it too late, or should you sell it and take out your profits, or is it simply time to hold on to it? And also covering its prediction over the short term and over the long term in 2024. What can we expect, and is it a crypto worth investing into? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, but for now I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Ankr, which is here in purple. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in red, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction. So according to the graph, drops in value are expected. That is only because it's starting to drop in value right now. Yes, I am expecting it to hit more red candles over the coming hours. However, by the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I am expecting it to head up to near about the 6 cents target, which is at a higher value than where it is at the moment. So overall, I am expecting an overall minimal increase in value. Reason being is, yes, dips are always part of the process, as I keep mentioning in most of my videos. Whenever crypto does a huge increase in value, a little dip should follow after that, and that is exactly what's happening right now. But by this afternoon, evening time, and in the early hours of tomorrow, we should see a slow increase in value, heading up to around 6 cents in target. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we're looking a little bit skeptical here. We do have the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and the blue lines looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction. So essentially what we have here is two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning according to the graph, an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected. However, from the predictions and analysis that I have done, I am expecting an overall minimal increase in value up to around 7 to 8 cents in top value is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at. Reason being is, as you guys can see, if I bring out the daily chart, over the last week or so it has gained over 42% in value, and it has been slowly and steadily increasing in value as well. But don't get me wrong, price corrections are always part of the process. I'm also expecting red candles in between, where it's likely to take a little bit of a dip down in value here and there, but what matters is the overall outcome, which at this point does seem to be more on the positive side. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we expect? So over the next 6 to 8 weeks guys, mid to late April and early May 2024, I am expecting Ankr to have gone through an overall increase in value. But again, the blue and the orange line are looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction, so it's not as realistic as it seems. Reason is looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last couple of weeks. The graph thinks the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace, which is not correct. But late March I'm expecting it to go for a little bit of a price correction, dropping down to just above 3 cents in value, and from there on heading towards the positive direction for majority of the days in April and May, heading up to around the 10 cents value is where I'm expecting Ankr to be trading at by mid-year. So 10 cents or slightly above is what I'm expecting, but again, it is cryptocurrency, it is a volatile market, so if there are any major changes to that, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. And of course we have the Bitcoin halving happening in April, which should have a major impact on the value of the crypto market, which again I will keep you guys updated on as much as I can as well. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we have broken now into the dark green zone right now, but the issue is that we did not resist at a single point here, meaning the crypto is overvalued, and as I mentioned earlier on, I am expecting it to go for a little bit of a price correction potentially by late March, and then gaining value higher than that for the rest of the month. So let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys expecting Ankr to be going in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. So over the month, as you guys can see, it's gained over 100% in value, which is absolutely crazy. However, yes, we have seen majority of the cryptocurrencies on the green side over the last 4 to 5 weeks, especially Bitcoin hitting a new all-time high a few days ago and then taking a dip down to $62,000, and right now he's back up to $67,000. so it has been very volatile over the last week, but we have managed to stay on the green side. Can Ankr hit 50 cents anytime soon? Personally, as you guys can clearly see, it's currently valued at 5 cents, so it's going to have to go for it 10 times to hit 50 cents, which I'm not expecting from Ankr at the moment. However, over the next 12 to 18 months, it is possible to do so. If you guys want regular updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And also, if you guys have any other cryptocurrencies in mind that you guys want me to cover on this channel, make sure to comment them down below as well, and I'll be sure to do that for you guys. And yeah, that is pretty much it. At the end of the day, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.